China's first ultra-deepwater expedition and drilling vessel Dayang has completed its hull assembly, marking a key step closer to the ship's delivery. The Dayang, designed and built independently by China, featuring a design displacement of 42,000 tons, is capable of operating in unlimited navigation areas in global waters, with a drilling capacity of more than 10,000 meters in the sea. The vessel provides two operation modes for oil and gas drilling and ocean scientific expedition, respectively. Upon its construction, the Dayang will mainly be designated to carry out ocean scientific expedition missions and drilling under major national-level science and technology projects and large programs for international cooperation in ocean scientific expedition.